Hi guys, as we all know, ZOMEDICA share price has been falling for some time. Actually, it's trading in the range at the moment, but it has been falling for some time. And I'm seeing everywhere like comments on Reddit, Twitter, etc. People panicking, wondering what's going on with ZOMEDICA. Was that a pump and dump, the first rise, etc. So in this video, I want to give you guys an update, basically let you guys know what's going on with the company and let you guys know my opinion why I believe the price has been falling, because the price has been falling across the board. And also I'm going to go through the price action, so having a look at where the price currently is and where I believe the price is going to go to, possibly give some price predictions. But before I get into it, make sure you guys subscribe and of course hit that notification bell. And while you're at it, you can get 2 free stocks valued at $1,850. All you have to do is check out my Weibo link in the description box below. With that being said, let's get this bread. It's been a while since I said that. I'm seeing a lot of comments on Reddit, Twitter, and even some messages you guys are sending me. You guys are worried about ZOMEDICA, and especially on Reddit, I'm seeing more arguments than anything. So first of all, people are wondering what's going on with the price, when it's going to moon, and saying that they got in because they thought it was going to moon and the price has just been falling, saying that it's a rubbish stock. So before I address that, I just want to show you guys an article saying that the Federal Reserve signaled that there's going to be an interest rate hike in 2023. So there's going to be two, they're going to back 2 interest rate hikes. If there's too much money floating around because demand has been so high, then they'll increase the interest rate, so making it a lot more harder to obtain. And vice versa, if there's not enough demand, then they'll decrease the interest rate, that way making it more attractive to investors. So investors will be like, you know what, the price is lower, so let me get in, and that way the demand can increase. So by increasing or decreasing the interest rate, they effectively control the economy by balancing it out. So the fact that they're planning to increase the interest rate in 2023, it means that there's a lot more demand right now. They want to make it a lot harder. So basically they're saying that everything is overbought right now, there's too much demand, and they just want to bring it back down to a level. So the investors are seeing this and they're saying, you know what, everything's potentially overbought at the moment, so let me cash out right now before the price comes crashing down. So this is partially why the price has been decreasing across the board, and it's also affecting ZOMEDICA, or it's potentially affecting ZOMEDICA's share price. And just to address some of the comments I'm seeing regarding ZOMEDICA, is that people are getting in high and they've been holding for a while, or basically they got in because they believe the stock was going to moon tomorrow. Alright, so they get in today, and then when the share price falls, they start complaining, they start saying, you know what, it's a bad stock. They go and start blaming everyone else or whatever. Basically just understand what you're getting yourself into, understand the investment you're getting into, and understand how long you're going to hold it. Have a game plan before you get into something, because at the end of the day, right, ZOMEDICA is a real company. They've got the TRUFORMA platform out. You need to understand that if you're getting behind ZOMEDICA right now, then by buying up the stock, then you're looking to hold it for a couple of years. Alright, it's going to be a long-term thing. Just because you get in today doesn't mean that the stock is going to take off to the moon tomorrow. This is particularly common with a lot of new investors. They look at what's going on with AMC, GameStop, and they think, you know what, those meme stocks, ZOMEDICA is going to be a meme stock as well. Let me just get in. And then what's been happening with AMC and GameStop is ZOMEDICA is going to be the same, and tomorrow I'm going to be rich. You know, I'm going to have so much money that I don't know what to do with it. That's not how the game goes. It's very abnormal what's going on with AMC and GameStop, but just understand that's not how the stock market works. There's what's called stock market efficiency. If you don't know what it is, look it up. So in a nutshell, basically saying that everything is already priced in. Technically speaking, no one has an advantage over another person. Alright, and basically if you want to make money, it's long term. Of course, you can have strategies through options, stocks, you basically using technical indicators, anything like that to try and find your edge. But technically speaking, the market is supposed to be efficient, so that you buy stocks today, you hold on to it. If you believe the company is good, fundamentally they're sound, etc., you buy it today, you hold it for a long term, and then you get your returns in the long term, or you get your returns whenever. So if I have a look at the chart of ZOMEDICA, ticker symbol ZOM, so the price has pretty much been range bound between 70 cents and effectively $1.15. So the price got into this range after falling down to pretty much this support. So it broke the support at 85 cents and the bulls brought the price back up. Then the bears brought the price back down to effectively test the support again. So the price currently is above the support at 85 cents. So the price at the moment from the last close is 89 cents. So if the price stays above the value of 85 cents, then I can see it heading towards this resistance at $1. So if it breaks that resistance and heads up to the main resistance at $1.15, and if it breaks that resistance at $1.15, then I can see the price pretty much taking off. And also having a look, there's an ascending triangle being formed. So if the price stays above the support trend line of the ascending triangle and basically gets towards this resistance, there's going to be a lot of momentum being built up. So guys, looking at the chart of ZOMEDICA, the price is actually looking somewhat promising, especially seeing as ZOMEDICA, they finally got a product that's been commercialized. They're working on things. They're basically setting the foundations for the next couple of years within the company. They're finding their feet, and they recently hired a new CEO. So we'll see if they shake things up with the company. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you guys subscribe and of course hit that notification bell. And if you're currently in ZOM, or you love ZOM, or you just love the stock, make sure you guys smash that like button. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.